Bring 3.5 quarts to a boil. Then add 1 cup organic sugar cane. Let it dissolve. Stir it in. I let it keep boiling for a little bit. And then I'll add my bags of tea. Stir it around, then I shut it off and let it cool at room temp. After the sugar's been boiling a little bit, I stir it up, make sure it's all dissolved, or close to. I go a little bit heavy on the 3.5 quarts of water because some boils away, evaporates. And then I add my 8 bags of black tea. Throw those in, stir around. Just keep stirring until that sugar's gone. I don't really want to boil these too much because it'll break the bags open. I'll cover it back up for another minute or two, then I'll just turn it off. Let it get to room temp, but I stir it every now and then just to keep it stirred up. Now I'm going to remove a SCOBY from the hotel. I wash my hands. This one looks like a great little SCOBY to go in the next batch. So I remove that one. The cheesecloth this to get 16 ounces from the hotel. Starter fluid for the next one. This will go in the next batch. 16-ish ounces. Good. So now we take our tea that we've been letting sit in the room for 10 days. Pull out the SCOBY here. I like to rotate the SCOBYs. So I'll put this in the hotel, make sure I don't grab it the next time. I'll grab the ones in the bottom. Usually makes a couple new ones. Throw those in there. Give it a light stir. There's still one more in there. So I got all the SCOBYs in the hotel. Next time I'll grab from the bottom so I won't use those again. Stir it up lightly, otherwise it will foam out. Put your cheesecloth on it. And then this will be your fluid to go into the bottles. And then save 16 ounces to go into the hotel. You don't want to fill it up too high, otherwise you can't build up that carbonation. Leave a little bit of gap. We always close the lid, and then we do a little shake, shake, shake. Just to stir up that honey and ginger. So 16 ounces from the 10-day fermented tea is going to go into the hotel to refill it. We like to take out beforehand so it rotates the stock. So then we'll put the hotel away for the next time. So once our tea that we cooked on the stove with the sugar and 8 bags of tea have cooled down to room temp, remove the tea bags, all 8 of them, make sure you get them all out. And this will be your new kombucha tea that mixes with the 16-ounce starter in the SCOBY and sits room temperature for 10 days. So 16-ounce starter with the SCOBY going into the new and then your tea that you cooked is now cooled. Pour that in. Should be just a little bit above 3.5 quarts of water. I'll go all the way up almost to the top. And then cover that with a 100% cotton towel, the rubber band, let it sit in a room without a lot of light, 10 days, and we mark it. So here's our 5 bottles. We usually do 6 bottles, 16 ounces, but we use the extra fluid to put in the hotel since we gave some starter fluid away and scobies. So this time it's only 5. It'll go in our room for 5 days. After 5 days, we'll pull it out, put it in the fridge, and that stops the second fermentation. And then after it chills in the fridge, they're ready to drink.